Every single day, Domino's makes millions of pizzas.
But how do they do it this fast?
Inside large-scale production facilities. Thousands of pizzas are produced every hour. Every ingredient carefully controlled. It all begins with flour, combined with water,
and yeast. Mixed into dough. The foundation of everything.
divided into portions.
Shaped into perfect balls.
Allowed to rise.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Creating air and softness. Flattened into shape.
Perfect circles every time.
Edges formed for structure.
Ready for toppings. Now comes the flavor. The sauce. The sauce is applied.
In a perfectly controlled spiral. Ensuring even coverage. Measured to exact amounts.
Every pizza identical. Then comes the cheese.
Falling evenly across the surface. Covering every inch.
Creating that signature melt.
At incredible speed.
Next, the toppings.
Placed with precision. Every piece perfectly spaced. Customized combinations.
Layered for flavor. And now,
the transformation begins.
high heat changes everything. The cheese begins to melt.
And transforms completely.
Inside the oven.
The cheese melts into one layer.
Bubbles begin to form.
Creating those golden textures.
While the crust rises
And becomes lightly crisp.
A complete transformation. Now fully baked, fresh, and hot.
A perfectly baked pizza.
Now it's sliced. In one smooth motion.
Creating perfect portions.
That signature stretch.
Repeated with precision.
Boxes are prepared instantly. Placed while still hot. Sealed for delivery. Moving at high speed. And prepared to be shipped. From the production line. To delivery routes across entire cities. Traveling miles every day.
To reach locations near you.
And prepare to be served.
That moment you open the box.
A perfect pizza.
And that first slice. That signature stretch.
The first bite.
From simple ingredients to layered flavor. And intense heat. Every step precisely controlled.
And now, you know how it's made.